What's up guys, in this video I'm modifying a trash can lid to open when you get near it for the Flux Robotics competition. So let's get into it. To open the trash can lid, I'm using a little servo, but I need some way to control it. For this project I'm using this chip. It's a mixed signal CPLD by SILEGO. The cool part is you don't need to learn Verilog because it has an intuitive GUI. I'm using two PWM generators which reference the internal oscillator. One is set to the open position of the servo and the other is set to the closed position. Once triggered by the proximity sensor, it switches to the open position PWM signal and starts a timer for about 3 seconds. Once that 3 seconds has ended, it resets the flip-flop and switches back over to the closed position PWM signal. I also have a timer that disables the PWM output when the servo isn't supposed to move. This helps save power so the servo isn't trying to constantly maintain a position. This design did take some troubleshooting and testing. I was able to do that by placing the chip in this little socket on this dev board. I wasn't sure if this tiny servo would be strong enough for this application, but it did work. Anyway, once I'm happy with the proof of concept, I designed the PCB. From a battery pack, this LDO will regulate the power. This IC is our capacitive proximity sensor. I included a potentiometer to fine-tune the sensitivity later. Finally, we have the CPLD going to a connector for the servo. Now all I have to do is route and order the board.
One week later.
After finishing the board and testing it out, it didn't work. So I took another look at the schematic and I found my mistake. For power, I named the net 5V, but this one I named VCC by accident, so there was no air wire between them. After fixing that little issue, it's working exactly how I expect. One of the reasons for making this project is for Flux's robotics competition. There are $2,500 in prizes and the deadline is May 28th. So take a look at the instructions and submit a design of your own. Otherwise, give this video a like and subscribe for more content just like this.